Okay. Okay, hi everyone, karibuni sana to another edition of Lolwe TV Fitness here at Lolwe TV with our team here, me, Naito Tieno, Coach Benja, DJ Roy, and don't forget we're here on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and you can interact with us on the socials, Lolwe TV, hashtag Lolwe TV Fitness, hashtag Elixir Wellness Kenya. Karibuni, and we're just going to start here with a walk. Don't forget to grab some water, yeah? So akunanga ma breaks hapa hivi tu tembea time ya breaks, ndio? No running, just walking. Yeah? Hapo. Haya. Na leo tumeanza energetic. Yongo leo imeweza. Haya. And walk. Walk. Remember, it's very important to warm up. Let's start it here. Twende. Get those arms going for those push-ups, potentially. Coach Benja amesema leo uogopi push-ups. Beast mode. Let's just really get that. And touch. Just get your arms going in whatever way you need to. That's it. Let's walk it out now. We're going into jumping jacks in 10 seconds, yes? Okay, let's go. Twende tumalize. And walk it out. Just walk it out. That's it. You can step, just keep moving, guys. Whatever it is you're doing, just keep going. 3, 2, 1, jumping jacks, let's go. And walk it out. 10 seconds. Walk it out. Let's go again for 20. 20. 10. Okay, 10 crunches here. Let's go. Remember, guys, you can either do crunches or a full sit-up, yes? Full sit-up, hands on your shoulders, going up. Crunches, hands to your knees. Good stuff. And now we're going to be doing 10 scissors, please. So scissors, raising your feet sort of halfway off the ground, between there and down. Let's go. And just cross. Well done. And up we get. Let's walk it out. Good stuff. This is our rest, guys. Make sure you grab water. Hydration is extremely important during workouts, yes? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Back to the jumping jacks. Let's go for 30. Ten. 20. Good. 10 more. Well done. And walk it out, guys. Walk it out. Yeah? Apple. Walk. Guys, this is our rest. So remember, when we're walking it out, you can do anything here. As long as you keep going. No sitting, yes? Unaweza dance. Unaweza pia ku apple, whatever you fancy. Eh? 4, 3, 2, 1. Back into those jumping jacks. Let's go. I know everyone is starting to get a bit tired now, but just keep going, yes? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Let's go down here. We're going again for those sit-ups or crunches, yes? Let's go. 10 crunches, 10 scissors. Remember, your chin should not be on your chest. Yes? Keeping it up. You can see what's up there. Haya, twende kwa scissors. 10. Okay, up we get. Walk it out. So this time we're going to go again 30 jumping jacks, walk it out, leg raises into scissors, yes? Good. Let's go. Ten more, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hiya, walk it out. We'll walk it out here for 10 seconds. I'm at 10 seconds, Nivi. Okay. Let's go down. Leg raises into scissors, yes? Let's go. Into scissors, let's go. Ten more scissors, let's go. And walk it out. If it's your first time, remember, if the intensity is too high for you, don't try and push yourself to the point where you get injured, yeah? Just take it easy. Catch up with our previous episodes. Lolwe TV Kenya. Search for Lolwe TV Fitness, yes? and you'll catch them up and catch up with us. And as the weeks go by, you will get stronger and stronger, and you'll be able to keep up. And for those who can keep up, I'll be giving you harder variations, yes? Aya. Let's walk it out here. 10 more seconds. Walk it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Jumping jacks. Let's go. Apple. You're confusing me. Aya, 10 more. And walk it. Walk it out. When we go down, we're going to go bridge into leg raises, yes? Walk it out. Step. 10 seconds. Aya, karibia mat. Dandia mat. Right, guys, remember with the bridge, feet firmly on the ground here, and we're raising that bottom and squeezing on the top here, yes? And creating that perfect bridge. Well, there's nothing perfect about it, but really nice line between your knees and your shoulders here, yes? Right, let's go. 10. And squeeze your bottom at the top. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's go into those leg raises. We're pushing up. If you want to make it harder at home, drop your feet to the ground, come up and push up. Let's go. Such a glorious day. It's always a glorious day this side of 6 feet under. Let's go. Bottom high. And walk it out. Walk it out. This is our rest, guys, at home. Remember, next time we go down, 15 bridges, 15 leg raises, yes? Good. And in 3, 2, 1, we're going back into those jumping jacks. Let's go. Ten more, let's go. Hiya, walk it out. Okay, let's rest it here. This is how we rest. Hakuna kukaa chini. Yeah. And step. Good stuff. And step up to the mat. Yes? 15 bridges into leg raises times 15. Let's go. Remember, back firmly on the ground, nice and flat. Feet firmly on the ground, nice and flat. When we raise there into that bridge, squeeze that bottom on the up. Yes, let's go. Just 10 more now. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And up we get for those leg raises. Remember, it's up here and not out here, yes? And for those who want to make it a bit harder, come all the way down, come up and push up, yes? Let's go. Just 5 more. Don't worry if you can't go as high as us, as long as you feel these lower abdominal muscles engaging, even if it's just that movement that you can do for now, that's fine. And those who can go higher, really lift up and not backwards, up towards the sky, yes? Let's go up and walk it out. Hey. DJ Roy, una maji wewe. Hydration si muhimu. He's young, don't worry. Right, guys at home, remember, always have water during your exercise, after your exercise. It's so important for so many functions in our bodies, yes? Right, 10 more seconds. 30 jumping jacks. Yes? Just walk it out. Now walk it out. Higher. Walking towards that mat. We've got 20 times the bridge. Remember, with the bridge, that's the action, yes? Let's go, guys. Oh, I know it's starting to burn. But keep with it. We're so close. We're so nearly done with today's workout. So close now. Keep going. Four, 3, 2, last one. Remember, if you've got lower back issues with the leg raises, support either with your hands here or with a small towel in the small of your back. Let's go, guys, and push up and not towards your head, yes? Let's go for 20. Eight, 9, 20. Let's get up. Walk it out. Hey, well done, everyone. I know it's not easy. It looks easy, but it's not as easy as it looks. So if you're finding it a bit difficult and you're new to exercise, don't be too hard on yourself, yeah? I've been doing this for years and it still hurts. So if you had kidogo kesho, just come back. Sawa. Hey. Twende. Walk. Haya. And let's just start with a slow stretch, guys. You'll be happy to know that that workout for today is over. So just slowly get wide here. Bring your hands over and turn and reach. Feel that stretch all along there, all the way to your back here. Let's turn. Just a hand facing forward. Turn. And come down and go low. Come in. And push up. Hands on the ground. And feet closer together now. Hands still on the ground if you can. If you can't and all you can do is this, don't start doing this. Just go as low as you can. And feet together now. Touch the ground if you still can. And back. Take a lunge forward and really stretch these hip flexors here. Really come forward and back. Swap sides. Really make sure you're feeling that stretch along those hip flexors here. If you're not, just sink a bit lower. Good. And this time, to the side here, and feel that along there, yes? And over. And move over, back to the other side. And back. And let's bring it in. Let's get those quads stretched. Stand on one foot. Knees together. Head up and pull back. And back to the other side. Back again for the lower back. Bring it in and really bring it down towards your feet and roll for your upper back as well. Just roll up and back down again. And roll back up. Take a deep breath in and out. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us again on yet another edition of Lolwe TV Fitness with our team here from Elixir Wellness. Karibuni sana with me, Naita Tieno. And don't forget, we're here Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays at 5:30 a.m. You can interact with us on the socials, hashtag Lolwe TV Fitness, hashtag Elixir Wellness Kenya, www.elixirwellnesskenya.com. Thank you so much. Don't forget to call Instagram, Twitter, at our YouTube, na Facebook, yeah? On YouTube is Lolwe TV Kenya, and just search Lolwe TV Fitness and you will find all of our other previous workouts there. And asanteni sana for joining us, and see you next time. Namaste.
Okay.